Hello everyone. Welcome to the iBF Tools channel. Have you ever bought a second-hand Apple Watch only to find it locked to the original Apple ID? Or maybe you have simply forgotten your Apple ID and your Apple Watch is unusable. Don't worry, today we will walk through practical options to fix your Apple Watch and bring it back to life. With a focus on a solution that don't require jailbreaking. Let's go. You need an iPhone for this. Here's what we have got. As you can see now, this Apple Watch is locked to the owner, so we need to connect the watch to an iPhone and connect them to the computer. Launch the iBF tool, choose the device type and select the right button. Wait till the process will be completed and try to reactivate the Apple Watch again to see if it fixed now. Important notice. Bypassing iCloud lock on a device you don't own without permission is illegal. This video is for educational purposes only. So what about you? Is your Apple Watch stuck right now? Yeah, it feels like your watch is turned into a very expensive paperweight. iCloud lock, also known as activation lock, is an Apple security feature that links a device to the owner's Apple ID to prevent unauthorized use if the device is lost or stolen. It is automatically enabled when the Find My feature is turned on and requires the owner's Apple ID password or device passcode to disable Find My, erase the device, or reactivate it after it's been wiped. Important considerations. Do not buy a locked device. If a used device is locked to the previous owner's account, do not purchase it. If you have any questions, write a comment or contact us with our contacts. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video with someone who is struggling with their Apple Watch. We have got more smart iDevice tips coming your way every week. Done. That is it. This is iBF Tools. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.